What is ozone? Alien screen? Screen?
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ दिसते.
Okay.
What is ozone? First, O3, a gas composed of 3 atoms of the oxygen. Bluish gas has that harmful to breathe. Nearly 90% of Earth ozone is in the stratosphere and referred as the ozone layer. Ozone absorbs a band of ultraviolet radiations called UVB. Next. Then formation of ozone layer, ozone, O3, chemically forms when UV hits on the stratosphere oxygen molecule dissociated into atomic oxygen. O2 gives rise to O plus O. Atomic oxygen quickly combines with other oxygen molecule to form ozone. O plus O gives rise to O3. That is a formula. Next slide. Then ozone depletion. Ozone layer depletion is simply the wearing out reduction of the amount of the ozone in the stratosphere. Unlike pollution, which has many types and causes, ozone depletion has been pinned down to the major human activities. Industries that manufacture things like insulating foams, solvents, soaps, cooling things like air conditioner, refrigerators, and takeaway containers use something called as chlorofluorocarbons. That means CFCs. Next. Depletion beings CFCs get into the stratosphere. Ultraviolet radiations from the sun breaks up these CFCs. That diagram show. Next. Causes of ozone depletion. These are the man-made causes. Chlorofluorocarbons, that means CFCs, halogens, methylchloroform, hydrofluorocarbons, CFCs, HCFCs, and natural causes. That are the causes of ozone depletion. Next. Impacts of ozone depletion. First one, harm to human health. First, more skin cancer, sunburns, and the premature aging of the skin. More cataracts, blindness, and the other eye disease. Second, adverse impacts on agriculture. Plant growth, especially in seedling, is harmed by more intense UV radiation. Major crop species are particularly vulnerable. Increased UV resulting in the reduced growth.
फोटोसिंथेसिस.
तर दिसत नाही खालचं.
ते फोटोसिंथेसिस आहे. थोडंसं ते फोटोसिंथेसिस अँड फ्लॉवरिंग असं आहे. ओके, तेवढंच आहे ते.
ग्रोथ, फोटोसिंथेसिस अँड फ्लॉवरिंग. नेक्स्ट.
Impacts of ozone depletion.
Impacts of ozone depletion. Third, effects on plants. Physiological and developmental process of plant are affected by UVB radiation, even by the amount of UVB in present day sunlight. This effect on plant that's shown in diagram. Next. Fourth one, effect on animals. In domestic animals, UV overexposure may causes eye and skin cancer. Species of marine animals in their developmental stage, example, young fish, shrimp larvae, and the crab larvae have been threatened in the recent years by the increased UV radiation under the Antarctic ozone hole. Fifth one, effect on materials. Wood, plastic, rubber, fabrics, and many construction material are degraded by UV radiations. The economic impact of the replacing and protecting materials could be significant. Next.
Importance of ozone layer.
खालचं सर दिसत नाही जरा असं वरती.
थोडंच आता पुढची स्लाइड येते, जरा हे केलं तर तरी पण ट्राय करतो मी.
राऊंड सर.
बरोबर. तुला दिसत असेल तर ते वाचून दाखव तिथं. इथून थोडंसं ते स्क्रीनला प्रॉब्लेम येतोय. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ ओझोन लेअर.
Importance of ozone layer. Ozone is concentrated in the lower stratosphere between 15 and 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface, the so-called ozone layer. Ozone can be produced by numerous chemical reactions, but the main mechanism in the atmosphere for its production and the removal is absorption of ultraviolet, that's UV, radiant energy from the sun. The maintenance of the no stratospheric ozone to
Ozone to absorb harmful ultraviolet sunlight.
Absorb harmful UV sunlight is therefore
vitally important.
Vitally important.
Okay.
Next.
The measures to prevent ozone depletion.
Measures to prevent the ozone depletion. First one, limit private vehicle driving. Second, use eco-friendly household cleaning products. Third one, avoid using pesticides. Fourth, developing strength regulations for rocket launches. Fifth, banning the use of dangerous nitrous gases. That are the measures to prevent the ozone layer, and that most important. There are some international measures. First, Montreal Protocol signed in 1987, comprised of 189 countries now to reduce CFC substance. National level measures. Singapore banned use of CFC products in the 1991. Countries can control the import and the manufacture of CFC products. Next. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. आतापर्यंतच्या 4 प्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये ज्या गोष्टी कव्हर झाल्या नव्हत्या त्या गोष्टी निकिता पाटील यांनी कव्हर केल्या. म्हणजे इंटरनॅशनली लॉज काय आहेत, सिंगापूरनं तरी 1991 पासून या गोष्टी बॅन केलेल्या आहेत. दॅट मीन्स यूज ऑफ ऑल दीज CFCs आर बॅन्ड. व्हेरी नाईस. फक्त एक सजेशन आहे, निकिता पाटील ना, निकिता पाटील हो ना, निकिता पाटील. प्रेझेंटेशन चांगलं झालंय, फक्त आज प्रॉब्लेम आला की जे लोअर पार्ट होता आपल्या स्लाइड मधला तो दिसत नव्हता. ते पीडीएफ फाईल केल्यामुळे दिसत नव्हता. थोडंसं काय करायचं, आपल्या बाकीच्या ओळखीच्या मदतीनं काय करायचं, पॉवर पॉईंटवर घ्यायचं. आलं लक्षात? म्हणजे आज जो प्रॉब्लेम आला होता तो इथून पुढे येणार नाही. आपल्याला अजूनही भरपूर सेमिनार द्यायला लागणार आहेत काय, त्यामुळे ही प्रिकॉशन घ्यायची. स्लाइड छान झाले, छान एक्सप्लेन केली विदाउट न घाबरता अगदी एक्सप्लेनेशन. म्हणजे जर मी त्रयस्थ माणसाला दाखवलं असतं तर कोण स्टाफ मेंबर बोलावा इतकं. ओके, व्हेरी नाईस. ओके,
थँक्यू सर.
ओके, लास्ट सेमिनार विल बी डिलिव्हर्ड बाय शुभांगी तोडकर. ओके, शुभांगी तोडकर रेडी. शुभांगी तोडकर. शुभांगी तोडकर.
येस सर.
हां, येस. व्हिडिओ चालू करायचा
सर, केलाय की.
समजा एक मिनिट, कुठे दिसत नाही. एक मिनिट. येस, एक मिनिट. हां, येस, यू कॅन स्टार्ट.
सर, स्क्रीन दिसत नाहीये.
एक मिनिट, स्क्रीन परत शेअर करतो मी.
ओके.
दिसतोय बघ स्क्रीन, दिसतंय का?
नाही सर.
नाही.
ओके.
हां, येस.
हां, ठीक आहे सर.
ओके, स्टार्ट.
हां, ठीक आहे.
फक्त स्लाइड चेंज केल्यानंतर एक 3 ते 4 सेकंदानंतर तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या स्क्रीनवर दिसते. मी इकडून शेअर केल्यानंतर हे लक्षात ठेवा जरा.
गुड इव्हनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. वेलकम फ्रेंड्स. टुडे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग सर स्टार्ट करू
हो येस
सर बॅक
वेलकमची स्लाइड कोणती स्लाइड हां एक मिनिट हां येस
वेलकम
स्लाइड दिसते का बघ ओझोन डे वर्ल्ड ओझोन डे
हा
येस
Good evening, all of you. Welcome, friends. Today we are celebrate World Ozone Day. Myself, Shubhangi Shankar Todkar from a BSc third. Today's 16th September. It means that World Ozone Day. In 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 16th September the International Day for the preservation of the ozone layer, and the day. The date of the signing in the 1987 of the Montreal Protocol on the substance that deplete the ozone layer. Next. Ozone or trioxygen is an organic molecule with the chemical formula O3. It is a pale blue gas with the pungent smell. It is an allotrope of oxygen that is much less stable than the diatomic allotropes of oxygen, breaking down in the lower atmosphere to the oxygen. Molecular formula of the ozone is O3. IUPAC name of the ozone is a trioxygen. Molecular mass of the ozone is 48 gram per mole. Density of the ozone 2.14 kilogram per meter cube. And boiling point of the ozone is 112 degrees Celsius. Also, solubility of the ozone in the water, sulfuric acid, and carbon tetrachloride. Ozone has, sir, back.
ओके एक मिनिट
Ozone has a contain 3 atoms of oxygen. A gas composed of 3 atoms of oxygen, which are bluish gas, that is the harmful to the breath. It means that it is a harmful for the human being, but it is a not हा हार्मफुल असल्यामुळं हा लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझमना खूप हार्मफुल आहे, त्यामुळे तो अर्थच्या जवळ नाहीये. सो नेक्स्ट. How is the ozone made? Stratosphere ozone is formed naturally through the interaction of solar ultraviolet radiations with the molecules of oxygen. The ozone layer approximately 6 through the 30 miles above the Earth's surface reduces the amount of the harmful ultraviolet radiations reaching the Earth's surface. Next. Stratospheric ozone production. In the first step, diatomic molecule of oxygen are interact with the sunlight to absorb light radiations and to form 2 atoms of oxygen. In the second step, after the separation of the diatomic molecule, 1 oxygen atom are react with the another diatomic oxygen molecule to form 1 ozone molecule. As similarly, second atom of oxygen are again react with the another diatomic oxygen molecule to form second ozone molecule. Next. So next.
What is the ozone layer? आले बघ slide.
What is the ozone layer? The ozone layer is a region of Earth stratosphere that absorb most of the sun's ultraviolet radiations. It contains high concentration of the ozone in relation to other parts of atmosphere. Sir, next.
3-4 सेकंद
Ozone layer Ozone layer contain 90% of atmospheric ozone. Ozone layer found from the about 20 to 30 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Ozone layer was discovered in 1930 by the Charles Habry and Hans Bisson. The ozone layer absorbs 97 to 99% of the sun's medium frequency of ultraviolet light. Sir, next.
Ozone hole.
The ozone hole first discovered in the 1985. Ozone deflection consists two related events: a steady lowering of about 4% in the total amount of the ozone in Earth's atmosphere, and a much larger springtime decreases in the stratospheric ozone around the Earth polar region. The latter phenomena is referred to be as a ozone hole. One CFC molecule are breaking down the 10 bonds of the ozones. There are also springtime polar atmospheric ozone. Next. So why is the ozone layer important to life on the Earth? Stratospheric ozone is considered good for humans and other life forms because it absorbs ultraviolet B radiations from the sun. If not absorbs ultraviolet B radiations, would reach Earth's surface in amount that are harmful to the variety of the life forms. It reduces the skin disease for the human beings. Next slide, please, sir. How can you protect ozone layer? Avoid the first one. Avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer. Minimize the uses of cars. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment. Buy local products. Minimize the use of the refrigerators. Replace chlorofluorocarbons with the hydrochlorofluorocarbons. Next, sir. So on this World Ozone Day, I am requested you friends, please save the ozone and save the earth. Earth without the ozone is like a house without the roof. So please save the ozone. Thank you all of you. Thank you one side.
Very nice. मेसेज फार छान दिलेला आहे की द हाऊस विदाउट रूफ. आय लाईक द कन्सेप्ट. फार छान स्लाइड्स बनवलेल्या होत्या.